Ready for a full day of island hopping? Crystal clear waters, cliff jumps, and underwater adventures. This is Samal Island. Today, we're exploring some of the most beautiful spots around Samal and Talikod Island. From sightseeing at the iconic Pearl Farm and Malipano Island to Diaz and De La Paz Island, we're also checking out the dreamy Wishing Island and Little Vanishing. And of course, we're not just here to look around, we're jumping off Sabang Cliff. Then we're heading to Talikod Island for some underwater adventures at Coral Garden and Angel's Cove before ending our island hopping journey at Diana Beach and Babu Santa. So if you're planning your own island hopping trip soon, save this travel guide and come explore Sama Island with us. Let's go! Hi guys, good morning. So it's already 7:20 a.m. here in in Davao City. We're here in Santa Ana Wharf.
Good morning,
in
good
Davao.
morning.
Kasi island hopping po namin ngayon. Andito daw yung meet up location. So 7:30 yung call time and we still have 10 minutes. At andito na rin kami. And we're excited. Syempre. So coffee in the morning. Oat milk lang muna tayo kasi bawal yung full cream milk. So, andito na tayo, guys. Ano tao, guys, for the island hopping today. Today is a good weather, by the way. So, this is the Santa Ana Wharf.
Morning. Morning po. So, Mr. Favorite. I thank you po. Okay, sorry.
Doon na po,
Muna tayo, guys.
Wala pa, pili ko.
Ay, sorry.
Are you all ready? Yes! Let me hear a voice! Hap hap! Hooray! One more time! Hap hap! Hooray! Very energetic. Ready na have breakfast, okay? And let's jump off our itinerary for today's tour. We have the two island destinations, si Samal Island, the main island, and the Talikod Island. Talikod Island is also a part of the Samal Island po. We have three attractions located at Samal Island, two attractions located at Talikod Island. Our first attraction is Wishing Island. From the word wishing, you can wish and pray. You can explore the island. Second, we have a Pasig de Pong or Sandbar. It is like Vanishing Island pag low tide. But we can't guarantee once mag-dock tayo doon is naka-low tide tayo. Alright? And then we have the water activity doon like banana boat. Si banana boat po is 350 per head po.
Hey guys, andito na kami sa Diaz Island. Our first destination sa island hopping dito sa Samal.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it.
Okay guys, so we're ready to shop. Pero waiting lang mo tayo sa queue. Charot. Love, hindi ka na.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender.
Alright guys, so tapos na kami dito sa Diaz Island and nag-swimming lang kami. Pupunta na kami sa next destination natin. Let's go!
For lunch. And
Wow, ang ganda ng tubig guys. Napakatinaw. Ayan guys, namatay na yung food namin. It's almost 11. Ayun, may ice cream guys. Hello! May pa-ice cream si Mayor. Pero dito mo
Manyosa, a good friend of Lorenzo family, is the designer of Curve Farm Beach Resort. Ang kanyang design is Filipino traditional with modern luxury. Furthermore, Curve Farm Beach Resort is a flavors for
Sabi mo.
Hi guys, let's have coffee. This is the second cup that I have today.
What's your biggest takeaway
No, actually, medyo maaga pa kasi. Pero,
so far?
so far, no, choose a better,
Better year?
I love diving.
You love diving na?
You know, we have first generation.
Watch out.
For me, ang ano kasi dito medyo matigas pag pelikula.
Since nakapag-introduction na kami, bibili na kami ng legit na mga gears for our future dives.
So, to invest, proper way. Like,
At least may ma-add na sa ating travel content aside from island hopping, zip line, what else? Camping, beaching. There is free diving. So, hopefully guys, stay tuned sa mga improvements ng channel natin and hopefully continue pa rin yung support nyo sa channel. Please keep on watching, sharing, and liking the video and subscribe.
Wala yung passenger yung hagdanan natin sa harapan, hindi natin yan mababa kasi mabato po dito na side na.
mabato.
So, dadaan kayo sa dalawang hagdanan natin sa diving. Your activity here is swimming and snorkeling.
Wow, pakasat na. Alam si Sandy. Shout out kay Sandy. They're beautiful. Ayan. From Cavite. Nice meeting you. Thank you, guys. Hi guys. So this is we're now here sa second destination, which is the Vanish.
So, pa yun.
Marami ng nakapunta dito, kaya na-post na rin yung mga vlog. So, it's really good na we visited here and see it in our own eyes, and we're so happy. So guys, enjoy na namin yung time lang dito. Again, snorkel, swim, and explore for corals, but let's go!
Alright, let's go guys. Sadyo, wala lang tao.
Wila,
Wala.
Samal Island!
Okay, everyone, hop
Hi guys! So, dito na kami sa third destination namin
Sa May Cliff.
sa May Cliff. Isa ito sa mga highlights din ng Island Hopping. So, are you gonna jump?
Masyadong malalim.
Which one? The tallest or the taller?
The highest.
The highest, okay. Ako siguro sa baba. Let's see, I cannot guarantee, but I'll try.
I'll try.
Alam niyo naman, ayoko nang ma-jump na. Let's go!
That's so cool.
Ready? Filming! Check! Assess! Ang imong kuanhay mong kamot, ha? Woo! Oh, ako lang to. Sa tagsas ako sa din. Ako sa lab. Mamana to.
Tara. Ay sa boss. Wait lang, may mulayat. Love, go na love! Layot na! Kitawag na ta. So, kasi na-feel mo sa babaw.
Did ko
Ha?
did ko pa nga dito ko did ko para jumping.
Medyo ka pang
Yeah.
jumping.
Zipline go,
Aura ka.
parasailing go, paragliding go. Please don't drop me like Tantanan.
Be having an order.
Pwede na pag wala man. Wala na lang tanay ang usa.
Yan guys, that is his first full meal pa for today.
Not for today, since yesterday.
Since yesterday? Kagabi di ay.
Nag-ano lang ako chop suey.
Kaya pala
Since 2
guys.
days ago.
Lately, ang ano na, ang late na ng chan niya guys.
Pero wala kang chop.
Alright, so dito tayo sa fourth attraction daw, Angel's Cove.
Lipat na naman tayo.
Medyo kasi ako mapahinga, pero maganda ng tubig guys. Look at this.
Dan, ano na?
So, nandito pa rin tayo sa Angel's Cove and snorkeling area daw to or diving area. So, since wala naman tayong gear, hindi tayo magda-dive. Snorkeling lang. Ang lalim niya guys. Let's go. Hi guys, so we're here in Young Beach Resort. And ito na yung last destination namin for today's island hopping. So, just careful lang para hindi slide. Yung ganda guys. Na dito tayo love. Mag-drone shot tayo mamaya. I think we only have 30 minutes here. Ah.
Hi guys, we are here in our last spot.
So, how would you rate our experience today in Samal Island hopping?
One is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
Yes.
I'll go like 7.
Why?
Why? Because I've been to a lot of naghanakog na ito ng mga island hopping tours, pero 7 because una kay about the life jacket, okay, dili siya nagubang na siya, no? Then second, karang mga ninot nilang corals daw, pero mas daghan pa na tuan before na corals. Mong 7 sad because delayed.
Oh, delayed ang
siya,
ano.
no? Delayed siya.
Pero na-anticipate naman sa natin, no? Kaya nag-inform naman sa sila.
Tapos last one, since delayed siya, ang atong mga supposedly mag-stay dito like for 30 minutes, mahimo na lang siyang 20 minutes.
For me guys, it's gonna be 8/10. Wow! Bigyan ko siya ng passing score kasi syempre, ang ganda ng beach, maganda ng mabait na yung mga staff, friendly. Syempre, sa mga nagawang island hopping namin, I can say hindi to isa sa mga the best, but I think one of the best talaga is yung sa Surigao del Sur, sa Britannia Group of Islands. Yun yung isa sa mga best island hopping namin for me. But syempre, maganda pa rin siya ha. It's 8/10 for me. Hindi masyadong mahal. Food, yung, di ba yung sa Boracay vlog ko, hindi ako na-satisfy. Ito yung, imagine, I only paid 900 per pax. But you can see in this vlog, di ba, na a lot of food, a lot of, actually may snack pa siya. May snack pa sila mamaya. Mamayang, I think, if we go home na, may snack pa kasi may nakita ako, ang tawag dito, cupcakes or mga puto. So again, merong breakfast, merong lunch na ang daming foods, may snacks. So sa halagang 900 pesos. So sa Boracay, 900 pesos, konti lang yung food sa lunch lang. So 8/10 for me. Maganda siya guys. I can still recommend. Kasi dito lang muna kami, mag-drone lang muna kami. Love, dito na po? Here? Or how about here, no? Nice! So, tapos na kaming mag-drone and mag-picture taking lang muna kami and doon kami maghanap ng spot. Lilibutin namin yung island for the last time. So, meron ditong mga guys, houses na dami ng mga cottages. So, pwede pala mag overnight stay. So, yung mga kasamahan namin guys, premium kasi sila. Yung premium is 1,200. Kasama ng mga photos. Yung inabail kasi namin is yung basic na 900 lang. Kasi meron naman din kami drone. So, di na namin kailangan ng drone. Ito yung last destination ng mga island natin. So, meron yung nagpapalo ko.
Dalawa tayo. Magaling si Dave.
Masama. Talaga ba?
Hi!
Ang daming mga mga pisik. Mga lubid. Wow, ang ganda dito guys. Doon kami Dire. Dire.
Sorry.
Ay, nice dito. May magandang walkway. Dito lang.
Kaya dito ka lang
Ikaw mauna lang ka. Okay. Okay siya mauna guys. Gusto mo picture? Okay.
Umauna ka muna papunta doon.
Video ka muna papunta doon. Tapos,
Go.
oo. Tapos sa, picture na lang.
10 seconds lang to. Okay na.
Okay guys, so time check, it's 2 p.m. Saktong-sakto. Tapos na kami mag-picture, tapos na kami mag-drone.
Dito lang ba eh? Spot dito lang.
Ayan guys. Yan, picture pa kami. Pak! 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 Welcome to Dayan Beach Resort. Meron mga bahay. Cottages. Dito tayo. May tindahan dito guys. Let's check. Baka may paninda sila na magugustuhan. Mas maganda pa rin talaga sa Britannia Islands guys kasi may mga nanininda ng ng mga seafood sa island, buko shake, halo-halo. Tapos may mga nagtitinda ng mga shake, juices, snacks. Tapos tumatanggap pa sila ng GCash. If napanood niyo yung vlog ko sa Britannia Islands, kumakain kami doon ng unlimited seafoods for only 100 yung isang tumpok. So yun, isa yun sa mga highlight talaga na magustuhan ko sa Britannia Islands. Pauwi na kami sa boat guys. So I think guys, it's gonna be the end of my vlog here in Davao City, Samal Island. And again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like or love this video, please don't forget to comment, share, and like. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Facebook page, Fiang Heartstrong Vlogs, or Fiang Heartstrong. TikTok, Fiang Heartstrong. IG, Fiang Heartstrong. Guys, thank you so much, guys. And until my next travel vlog, see you in the next one. Woo!